Hello, my name is Tanya Haney, and today I'm going to go through my disciplinary literacy reflection and a great resource that I found while trying to find something credible and reliable for educators to use in their classrooms. So, first of all, I'm going to go through the process that I went through to find this resource. So, I went through a pretty lengthy process because there's not like a lot of information about this topic, and the people that provide information, a lot of times they don't know or explain the process fully. And so before choosing a website that would be a good resource, I actually went through like a checklist. And so my checklist criteria, first I wanted the criteria, the website to be credible and reliable. I looked at the content of the information that they provided, as well as the author and sponsor of that material. And the usefulness in the classroom, because if we can't use it and apply it, then it's not really a good resource. And so I'm just going to go down here. I did choose this website. And it's called Allenberg Learner, and I'm going to go to the link in a moment. But I did choose this website because for both professional and classroom use, because I wanted it to provide both, so that I can get the most use out of it. And it can also, I like that it also links me to other videos and information on disciplinary literacy as well. And let me go ahead and go to that link here so I can show you what it looks like. I'll go ahead and open it. Oops, I copied it. Let me go ahead and open it up for you. Take a look here. I think I have it already up. Yes. Okay. So this is the website. And first of all, it tells you what disciplinary literacy is, because everybody doesn't know. It's like a new concept. And it tells you what it is and how to use it across the disciplines. And it shows you, it says, how does disciplinary literacy differ from content area literacy, which is what a lot of educators are used to hearing. And it goes through all of the things, the text features, how to have students put on their different hats, like whether they're using it for scientific information or and how to use it. And so let me see. It goes through first an introduction, as you can see right here. It goes through the literacy development. How does disciplinary literacy differ from content area literacy? And it goes through a lot of things. It also offers like videos, interactive videos, and lesson plans. I really like that. Because it offers so much. It has like 9 pages of information here for you to go through and look at. And it also has like a video series. And as you can see, it says teacher resources and professional development across the curriculum. And so I really like that about it too. But it also had, it's right here. It also has like what discipline you're teaching. So whether you're a science teacher or a reading teacher or a social studies teacher or even a math teacher, you can go to the one that you teach and it would tell you information about how to apply that in your particular classroom. And so I'm a second grade teacher. I teach all of the content areas, the social studies, the math, the reading, everything except like art, gym, and things like that. And so, and it tells you about the Model 1 stages of reading development, It also gives you areas to reflect, and so I do like that a lot. Let me just take a look here. And so it talks about Shanahan, which is they are very well respected in the field of disciplinary literacy as well. And so it's research based as well. And so I really like this resource. Like I said, it has a lot of information. It also has videos for you to look at and review for your pleasure and for you to get something out of it. Let me see. I like videos because I can actually see how to apply it, in a classroom setting. And so I like looking at, and look, it even has like the grades. Like I will go to K through 2, and it would give me the information that pertains to what I teach. It also has grades 3 to 5, grades 6 through 8, grades 9 through 12 in college. And so I would just go through like K through 2, and it'll pull up like videos that I can watch that pertain to K through 2. And so we have like assessments in math and science and what's the point. And it gives me like a plethora of information. It also has video plans right here. It has course and video licensing, interactive, and then the news and the blog. And so I really like this resource. And so this to me is an excellent resource because I can read information, I can look at videos, I can also go to the hyperlinks that it's directing me to in the articles on the website, and I can look at what other people have said about it. And then on my discovery of finding a valuable website, I discovered that there's not a lot of like valuable information about this topic. Most websites, articles, and blogs do not go into depth to explain what it is, how educators should use it, and how to implement it in their classrooms. And so that's why I like this website, because it goes into depth. It doesn't just give me one page to decipher and try to apply it. It gives me a lot of information, useful information. It also has, like I said, the videos and the blogs, and I can go to the hyperlinks that will lead me to other valuable information that I can use as well. And let me see. Yep. And in conclusion, this website does not need to be modified for me because it has links to information and videos that can help me in the classroom. It also has, it breaks it down for the different grades and things like that. So I really like this video. I think you should definitely check it out. And I believe that it will be a great resource to you. Thanks for watching.